superkilometer filter for Mercedes A-Class W177 A43 AMG has the same installation process as with the pre-facelift, which means that this device is installed behind the glove compartment. And the device has 3 modes. Change modes via smartphone app or press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. Repeat the process to switch from mode to mode. Mode 1, 20% of the actual mileage is counted in the background. You don't see the kilometer count in real time, you can only see it the next time you start the vehicle. After about 2 minutes, the 20% counted mileage in the background will appear. Mode 2, 0% of the actual mileage is counted. Assistant functions don't work properly either. To use these features, turn the device off and everything will work as usual. You can see the error messages that will disappear after reaching 20 km/h speed. You can also switch the AMG dynamic select modes, it works well. Other control units also shows mileage as we need. It's okay if the value is lower than the speedometer because of synchronization time.